Hey guys, are you want to buy best car underbody lights for cool effect? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best car underbody lights for cool effect that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Govee Car LED Lights. The Govee Car LED Light Kit transforms your vehicle's interior with vibrant, customizable lighting. Using the Govee Home app, you can select from 16 million colors or create your own effects in DIY mode, giving your car a unique, personalized touch. The built-in mic enables dynamic music mode, syncing lights to your favorite tunes for a lively, immersive drive. Smart App Control lets you easily adjust brightness, color, or switch to music mode with just a tap. The clever two-line design connects all 4 LED strips for a clean, seamless fit in any car model. Installation is quick with adhesive and support clips, and the rubber tubing ensures water resistance. Just clean the surface beforehand and avoid repositioning to maintain adhesion. With included zip ties for added support, this kit offers a stylish, user-friendly upgrade for any vehicle. Now our second product is Duofu365 RGB Interior Car Strip Lights. This multicolor LED car interior light kit brings vibrant personality to your ride with over 16 million color options and music sync via built-in mic. Lights change with the rhythm, creating an immersive driving experience. Dual control options, remote and app, via Bluetooth, allow you to adjust brightness, timing, and speed effortlessly. Powered by USB or cigarette lighter adapter, it's a versatile and convenient setup. The 12V lights are safe to use, with IP68 waterproofing, short-circuit protection, low heat output, and a memory function. Installation is simple. Just peel the 3M tape, clean the surface, and stick the lights in place, no messy wires. Perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and more. It also works for both interior and exterior lighting needs. The package includes 4 LED strips, remote, power adapters, cable ties, and cleaning helpers. A fun, safe, and easy upgrade for any vehicle. Our third product is YME Bright RGB LED Strip Lights. The YME Bright Car LED Light Kit offers high brightness and a customizable atmosphere with music sync that matches the colors and speed to surrounding sounds, perfect for enhancing long drives. You can control the lights via Bluetooth using the app, compatible with Android and iPhone, or with the included remote, allowing access to 16 million RGB color options. Designed for wide compatibility, it fits most cars including sedans, SUVs, trucks, and wagons. Installation is simple. Just stick the strips using the pre-applied 3M adhesive and power them via USB or the provided cigarette lighter adapter. No complex wiring is needed. Ideal for placing under footwells, seats, or doors. The kit includes 4 LED strips, remote, adapter, and user manual. Backed by a 12-month after-sales service, it's a vibrant, easy-to-install lighting upgrade for any vehicle. Now number 4, GPJYD Acrylic 6-in-1 Car LED Lights. The GPJYD 6-in-1 acrylic interior car lights deliver bright, vibrant illumination with 584 built-in LEDs, offering a more uniform and softer glow compared to standard fiber optic strips. Featuring Bluetooth app control, remote, and USB connection, you can access over 16 million colors and 210 dynamic modes, customize brightness and speed, and set timers to match your driving mood or festive decor. The built-in mic syncs the lights to your music, adding energy and fun to road trips or daily commutes. Powered by USB, it runs on low heat and doesn't occupy your car's cigarette lighter, perfect for space saving and safe use. Compatible with most vehicles using DC5V, this kit is easy to install and enhances any interior. Backed by a 30-day return and 12-month repair guarantee, it's a reliable upgrade for personalized car ambience. And our last choice is Qvevdacar Interior Car LED Strip Lights. This upgraded interior car LED light kit offers vibrant customization with 3 smart control options: app, remote, and button control. Choose from 16 million colors and 29 preset modes to create the perfect ambience. The integrated LEDs and exclusive fiber optics provide brighter, more uniform lighting while keeping installation neat with a sleek 2-in-1 design, no messy wiring. With built-in sound sensors, the lights sync dynamically to your music, enhancing every drive with rhythm-responsive lighting. Easy to install, the flexible, water-resistant fiber optic strips can be bent and trimmed to fit any space. Simply tuck them into car gaps for a seamless glow. Powered by USB DC 5V, it's universal for most cars, SUVs, and trucks. Whether for a daily commute or a night drive, this kit brings energy, style, and fun to your vehicle interior. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.